I can say that it has worked out really well for both of us, Aditya and I.
So Mridul have started her journey with me 2.5 months ago. This video series, which has been followed by actors, influencers, har food mota nahi karta. Every food does not convert into fat. Hi guys, my name is Yash Patel. I am a health and fitness consultant, also run this company called Ask Natural. Those who are new on my channel and watching this video for the first time, let me give you a bit of a background that today we are going to talk about nutrition program which have been followed by actor influencers. So this video series is something that I've started only to debunk myths and talk about all those nutrition programs. In this series, we talk about what are those common mistakes that they do in their plan and how we can rectify. Now, today's video is slightly special because today I am going to talk about nutrition program of somebody who's already my client. Her name is Mridul Sharma. She's a YouTuber. So Mridul have started her journey with me 2.5 months ago. Although the video that I'm going to talk about today is actually a 5-6 month old video. That time she was not my client. So the reason why I'm talking about this video, number one, while I was scrolling through multiple what I eat in a day video on YouTube, I come across her video, so I thought, चलो अभी इतना वीडियो कर रहे हैं तो why not talk about her routine also, which she was doing previously, which was wrong, or I would say not up to the mark. And then we later rectified it and changed it. Since she is with me, she is already on the best routine. But we are going to understand what are those mistakes which she was making previously, and we will not keep ourselves limited to that. Then we will also talk about things which I have changed in her plan, which is now working out for her. So without wasting a lot of time, let's get straight into the video.
It's no secret that I've gained weight. So this is everything that I've been eating to get fit in 2025. I start off by having some ginger water in the morning. For breakfast today, I had some rice dosa, and for protein, I had some boiled eggs, then followed it up with some nariyal pani. Now, lunch was kind of boring, so I decided to make tadke wale onion and chili. Now, this is made in ghee. It also has lemon, so it's tasty and healthy. Normal roti, sabzi, dal, red rice for lunch. Of course, with chas. Then for snacks, we had pancakes, but this is kind of like a healthier version of a pancake. So these are millet masoor pancakes with lots of fruits and sugar-free maple syrup. This is a no sugar maple syrup. It was so tasty. Honestly, it tasted like a regular pancake. And then I also had green tea along with it. For dinner, we had lots of stir-fried vegetables with shiitake noodles. I'm still working on this recipe. Once I nail it down, I will share with you guys the recipe. But so far, it's tasting quite nice and it did fill us up quite well.
दूर से देख के ये न्यूट्रिशन प्रोग्राम आपको बहुत हेल्दी लगेगा फॉर एनी लेमैन पर्सन. अगर मैं पहली बार फोन पे बात करूं तो यू विल ऑलवेज, अगर आप ये न्यूट्रिशन फॉलो करते हो तो आप हमेशा मुझे यही बोलोगे, हे आई फॉलो फेयरली हेल्दी न्यूट्रिशन प्रोग्राम, आई डोंट नो व्हाई एम आई गेनिंग वेट, व्हाई इज इट नॉट वर्किंग आउट फॉर मी, व्हाई माय पीसीओडी इज गेटिंग वर्स. There are some very basic foundational mistakes with this nutrition program, although I would not say that this is not a good plan. This is a very survivable plan, if that's a correct word. But there are so many things which needed rectification, and that is where a lot of people end up making mistake. यहाँ पर अगर आप मृदुल का न्यूट्रिशन प्रोग्राम देखो तो प्रोटीन हार्डली 10-15 ग्राम पे ही रुक गया है, बिकॉज मॉर्निंग में 2 एग्स के बाद शी डिड नॉट एट मच प्रोटीन फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द डे. अभी अगर आपको ये गलत फहमी है कि मिलेट्स में प्रोटीन आता है तो नो, नहीं आता है. पैन केक में भी एज सच शी डिड नॉट मेंशन कि कोई वे प्रोटीन डाला है, तो देयर इज नो प्रोटीन इन पैन केक्स ऑल्सो. एंड डिनर तो यू ऑल नो इट्स जस्ट वेजिटेबल, एंड वेजिटेबल्स डू नॉट हैव एनी कैलोरीज ओनली, एंड द नूडल्स ऑल्सो हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कैलोरीज बट एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रोटीन. प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है ना, जब आपको मेटाबॉलिक इश्यूज होते हैं लाइक पीसीओडी, थायराइड, वेट गेन, इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, हम सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक ये करते हैं कि हम सबसे ज्यादा फोकस कर देते हैं फूड को कट डाउन करने में, कैलोरीज को कट डाउन करने में. जितना कम खाएंगे उतना अच्छा है. लो कैलोरी फूड लो, लो कैलोरी इंग्रेडिएंट्स चूज करो, जो सबसे ज्यादा कम कैलोरी वाला हो वो फूड चूज करो. That's completely wrong. Food is fuel for your body. How can you dislike fuel? How can you hate fuel? How can you cut down on your fuel? You should not do that. So what you should rather do is you should put right fuel into your system. यहाँ पर सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक अगर आप लोगों ने नोटिस कर लिया हुआ तो कमेंट्स में लिखिए, बट सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक जो इन्होंने करी है, there was absolutely zero minimal protein in the diet, close to zero. I know her personally. She is my client. She is a lovely person. And I can tell you one thing about her current conditioning is that she is 50 kilos. So assuming her body weight 1.5 ग्राम भी प्रोटीन खाते हैं तो 75 ग्राम के आसपास प्रोटीन दिन का जाना चाहिए. यहाँ पर रेलगाड़ी रुक गई है 20 ग्राम्स के आसपास. दैट मीन्स शी इज इन अ प्रोटीन डेफिसिट. इससे नुकसान क्या होगा? नाउ शी इज गोइंग टू सी अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रेकआउट्स इनटू हर बॉडी, अ लॉट ऑफ breakdown into her body. Now when we say breakdown, it can be muscle breakdown, it can be skin का ग्लो चला जाएगा, it can be hair issues, hair fall होना शुरू हो जाता है किसी किसी को, it can be joint pain, it can be low immunity, so multiple things can come up. जब मृदुल मेरे पास आई and when she told me कि यश I am looking for a nutrition as well as a workout program, सबसे पहली मिस्टेक जो हमने उनके प्लान में ठीक करी वो ये करी कि we started incorporating more of a protein in her nutrition program so that ये जो chronic breakdown है ये कम हो जाए. और दूसरी important चीज, फ्यूल से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can eat a lot of food. You don't have to be so scared about food कि ओके अभी ज़्यादा खा लिया तो वेट गेन हो जाएगा. हर फूड मोटा नहीं करता. Every food does not convert into fat. Every food doesn't make you fat. तो ये जो universal rule है कि सब कुछ कम कर दो is not the right idea. Another thing which we have changed in Mridul's plan is we have added certain anti-inflammatory vitamins which has helped her overall immunity, muscle gain and overall अगर आपको मैं progress बताऊं तो मृदुल lost 3 to 4 kilos of body weight on my plan. आदित्य जो मृदुल के पार्टनर हैं, he is also on my plan and he also lost good 4-5 kilos of body weight, which is documented by the way on their channel also. On the top of that, both of them are feeling less fatigue. आजकल वो kickboxing भी करती है मेरे साथ and energy drop नहीं होती है. is the feedback I got from the kickboxing trainer who I sent to her location. So that way she is now progressing.
I can say that it has worked out really well for both of us, Aditya and I.
This was a minimum correction required in her routine which helped her starting to see the progress. बहुत लोग इतनी छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स की वजह से सालों बिना रिजल्ट्स के बैठे रहते हैं. एंड दिस इज why you should consult a nutritionist. लोगों को लगता है अरे हमको पता है all the nutrition plans are available on YouTube, Instagram, but those minute corrections which are required, which you cannot see as a layman but an expert can see, a professional can see, those are the main reason why you sometimes do not see progress. And when those minor things are being corrected, you start seeing the progress. That's all for today's video. In case if you have any feedback, any specific thing that you want me to talk about, you can mention it in the comment box and I will read all the comments and make sure that next time or in my coming video series I will cover up all those topics. Thank you so much guys.